Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette and I am a stay-at-home mama of 4 seeking to save 6 months of expenses. So I haven't been on here for a while doing a cash stuffing video, but in today's video I will be cash stuffing my variable expenses, which is my wallet. So I took out $80 this week to spend in my wallet, and I'm going to show you the different categories I'm going to put it in. So this is my bank bag. Let's see how much we have here. It should be $80. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I do have my budget planner here, just keep as a reference as to how much I'm going to stuff in each category. So we are stuffing $80 again, and let's get started. Okay, so for groceries is going to get $10. And this is just if I need like milk or eggs throughout the week, because we usually do a really big grocery haul in the month. We go to Costco. So $10 a week is usually what I take in my wallet, just in case I need to get anything for the week or something for the kids' lunches. But we do buy in bulk for the kids. So groceries is getting $10. Toiletries is getting $10, and we really don't need anything because I still have a stash of the couponing stuff that I was doing in the past. So as far as toiletries, we don't need anything, but I keep it in there just in case. Okay, out to eat is going to get the most. So out to eat is going to get $20. And this is for Friday because they usually get McDonald's every Friday. And I do have the app, so sometimes I don't even spend the whole 20. But as far as anything I don't spend in my wallet, I just put into my savings challenges. Okay, kids is going to get $10. And that's if they want anything as far as like an ice cream after school or something they need for school. I keep it in here. Self-care is going to get $10. As far as self-care, I need to get my eyebrows done. As far as my nails, I do them myself with Gel-X, so I don't spend money on getting my nails done. I usually do them on my own, but I do need to get my eyebrows done. Spending is going to get $10, and that's basically could be spent on anything as far as anything that I need, but or want. So it's $10 in there just in case. And then miscellaneous is going to get $10. And usually miscellaneous I don't spend, and it goes into my savings challenges, but some weeks I do spend it. So miscellaneous is basically, let's say in spending I need $15 instead of the 10, I'll take $5 from my miscellaneous. So that is it as far as my wallet. Stay tuned for my next video because I will be doing my sinking funds as well as debt. And as far as savings challenges, I don't know if I want to bring it to like long form videos or keep it as shorts, because I do play games when it comes down to the savings challenges. I have to spin the wheel as well as the Easter pink eggs that I shake up the eggs and pick something out. It just makes it fun for me to save. But stay tuned for the next video. Check out my last video. I show you guys basically my whole setup for 2025 as far as cash stuffing, all the items I will be using. And I'm also adding another savings challenge to all the savings challenges that I do have. So I'll show you guys that in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to someone. And if you guys want like a thorough video on zero-based budgeting and cash stuffing, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be willing to do a video for you guys. As far as 2025, things are going to change a little bit with the channel. I'm going to try to be more persistent with it. It's just, having 4 kids, sometimes it does get hard, but I do cash stuff every week. So I'm going to try to bring you guys every week what I'm cash stuffing and how much. So yeah, guys, share this with a friend. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.